Y'all see me? Morning, guys. Morning, guys. Morning, guys. Not just playing. I'm on my way to the swap meet. Sunday again, like she's at work. It's a weird routine that I gotta get used to. Let's hear this baby start up. Gonna wake up the neighbors. I'm gonna wake up the neighbors. Fucking, don't you guys just love that noise? I love that noise. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go to the swap meet. I'm gonna go try to buy some face masks for work. My dad's over there. My uncles are over there. You guys like how I put chapstick on? And that's what I'm gonna try to do for a bit. See what I got today. I ain't trying to be in the street all day today. You see, you guys should know that new Chapo, that series number 2 on Netflix came out. And if all that internet stuff that's happening, that we're gonna have to pay for that's gonna happen tomorrow. I gotta finish this series today. So I'm gonna watch it later today. So I'm gonna just go rally up, do the little things that I gotta do. Gotta go get a bite. And yeah, guys.
Muerto y de eso no me arrepiento. Nada es fácil en la vida, por eso pónganse pilas, aquí en las nubes me encuentro.
Voy para adelante, composiciones originales de un servidor, su compa Lenin Ramírez, desde Culiacán, Sinaloa, en esta noche de lluvia. Échale, viejo, fierro.
It's the first mask I got, guys. The sun burns. Yeah, guys, this is the first mask I got. This is just from down here. The nose, so my nose can breathe. It covers my ears. It's reversible. Switch colors: black, camel. Yeah. This is my second one, guys. Oh, you can see my mouth talking through here. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? It's camouflage as well. I don't know if you guys can see my hair. These are the 2 masks I bought, guys. Woody! Hi, Woody! Hi, Woody! Hi, Woody! See you, Woody! Look at my cousin. My cousin's coming to live weird. Say hi, Fancies. Say hi to all the subscribers. To everybody on YouTube.
What's up?
Yee. So we here chilling with Woody. Huh, Woody? Trying on my mask. These guys over here doing some mechanical work. Just doing some mechanical work.
There's a quarter right there in the ground.
What do I want a quarter? Is it heads or tails?
Heads.
It's tails, that's mine. Hey, it literally was tails up. Alright guys, so my dad and my uncle are doing some mechanic work outside in the car. So I'm about to prank them in a way, just freaking honk the horn at them. A couple times. If they're still there. Hey, 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 hey! Shut up.
Okay. Okay, mi amor. ¿Eh? No te puedes meter porque estoy abajo, amigo. Se baja el carro.
It doesn't work!
Okay, pásame tu mano, amigo.
Doesn't work!
Shocker.
You think I can do it, man?
Okay,
Yeah.
es que casi no lo entiendo porque al principio yo vi que tú eras la niña, no, amor. Okay, mi amor. Ahorita te encanta, una maravilla, ya estaba por- Ya, por eso, mamá. Hijo, te subiste y lo calculaste, cabrón.
Wow.
It's a fail.
How does it feel to fail?
My little dude, Woody loves me, huh? Woody! Woody! Come, Woody! I know why the honk didn't work, because they disconnected the battery, and since they're doing mechanical work, they probably disconnected the horn, and it has to be on.
Excuses.
Damn. I gotta find another way to prank them. Oh no, I think there's a lot of ways. We're gonna put a dog on
Why
him.
don't you drag your dad?
I can't drag him. I need a dog. Where's Woody?
Woody!
So we're going tomorrow. What?
I gotta go pick that up.
We'll go and come back before they even leave.
I don't wanna go to the mall.
We're just gonna go play a phone book out. I wanna buy something to eat, some spices, McSpice.
Look right here. And then there's a McDonald's right there. Are you really? Or are you just gonna get me to the car and
No,
do
let's
whatever
go.
you
Let's
want?
go do that. I like that. Alright.
Driveway.
Pobre perro.
You having fun, Woody? My dad gets out of this.
Aquí le compa.
Espérame. Come on. Jump.
Amor.
You look at my dad's shirt.
Woody's like a monkey. He's not even a dog, huh?
Nope.
No.
What the heck? You okay, Woody?
Woody!
Alright guys, so we're gonna find another thing to do by the time we go to the store. We go to the other store and come back. What's up, guys? I look like a real Mexican right now, huh? Just 'cause I got my bandana on. But the thing is, I just got off of work. Still wearing my boots. Just got home. I just finished feeding the doggies. Would you lazy? I'm lazy. I'm lazy. Alright guys, so for the past, I don't know, it's been a long time, like 2 or 3 months already. Alexia's been telling me to make the dog like a doggy house. We're gonna buy one. If you guys saw our last vlog, we were at I don't know, this dog store, the dog cages, they're like 200, 300 bucks, and we didn't buy one just because I'm cheap like that. But I told her that I knew how to build stuff because I've been building stuff, and then I went to some school. Shout out to Metrotech, shout out to my teacher Rick Shapler. They taught me how to build stuff, and I'm gonna try to build in my house. Basically, this is like a do-it-yourself in a way. I mean, I got scrap material for my job, as in plywood and as in 2x4s. I got nails, drills, and all that stuff. But the base that I'm using, we had a table. Like I'll show you guys right now. We had like a table, and I broke it. Like, it was already wobbly, but I finished breaking it. So I'm gonna use that as a base and then just build up, and I'm gonna see how long it'll take me to do it. Hopefully I can finish by tonight. But I mean, other than that, just the 2x4s that I've been using, like I said, it's just scrap, so therefore they're not all the same angles, but I do have the material to cut it. Here's the plywood. I got this plywood, and I got more plywood back here. And I feel embarrassed because, look guys, this is how we have our dogs. Our dogs, as in our Dodgers, because that's the way that we see them as. But this right here, this from here to here is about like 5 feet, 5 feet, 4 feet by 4 feet. But yeah, that's the base of the table. If everything falls, I'm sorry about that. I'm not doing it on purpose. But yeah, you see guys, it's just a table. Just a table. Just a table. But this is what I'll be using. I mean, the good thing is I already have some holes here. So just clean it up right now. Move all this mess away. And just get building it. It's about 4:40 right now, 4:30. Alexia will be here about 6. My goal is to try to build it as fast as I can before she gets here, so she won't say nothing, and before the girls go to sleep, as in our dogs, before they go to sleep and they're out. I try to lock them up, but they're out. But I'm pretty sure right now with the noise of the drills and all that and the saws, they'll be scared and they'll just hide back. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna start building this and let you guys see right now. I didn't do that on purpose. Do you guys see me? What's up, what's up? Why is the wall in the way? Do you guys see that?
¿Qué vas a hacer, chamaco?
¿Ah?
¿Qué vas a hacer?
La casa de las perras.
¿Cómo?
¿Con la madera?
A ver, dime cómo le vas a hacer. Hi.
Hi.
O sea, esa la vas a dejar ahí.
Sí, ese lo voy a dejar abajo, voy a poner estos palos para arriba, la madera es alrededor y luego me lo el techo. ¿Vamos con un cuadro?
¿Tienes clavos?
Sí, ya traje todo el trabajo, ahí está el martillo, traje todo el maquinaria y todo.
Tenga suerte.
Para que la pinten ustedes.
Sí. Ok. Está en el video, Jenny.
Quiero terminar antes de que llegue la Alexia.
Ah, pues eso le gana.
You think I could do it?
A ver si hay visto ganchos, a ver si hay visto el...
You got homie or what?
No.
Is that the only gancho? Hi, lady!
No las alborotes.
She's... Okay, bye.
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 All right. Would I be considered weird for liking the smell of wood? Burning wood? I don't think so. Alright guys, I don't know if that shit cut off, but I barely cut the wood. I had this wood, these, but it was too thick for the nails. Like the nails didn't want to go through, so I just cut some 2x4. See, that's the reason I had both of them, because I didn't know which would fit what. So I just brought extra material just in case if I need it. But now I just cut it, now I'm assembling and I'm gonna see. I don't know how much time I have left. Technically time, I'm not being rushed, but like I said, I want to build this before Alexa gets here. It's barely 5. I have a whole hour. my dad was checking up on me. Took away like 20 minutes of my time. Alright guys, I think Alexia's gonna end up getting here. She just got off, 5:30, so it takes her about 15 to 30 minutes depending on traffic wise. So I got 30 minutes to do this. If not, then I'm fudged. Alright guys, I'm gonna use the little phone flash. Alexia's phone flash, so just follow it around. Alright guys, so I did not get to finish before Alexia got home. It's currently uno momento. 6:40. You guys saw that? 6:40. I did finish the house, but not before Alexia. Alright guys, this was... You guys can't really see this.